The labor certification process, or how it's more commonly referred is the PERM process, is usually the main way that an employer can file for an employee for an employment-based green card. The Department of Labor sets the regulations for the labor certification process, and what they want the employer to prove to them is that there are no able, willing, and qualified U.S. workers for the position. The main thing is the advertising that must be done by the employer. I will give you a short list of the types of advertisements that have to be done. The first is the job order. That must be placed with the State Department of Labor for 30 days. There also must be 2 Sunday newspaper ads that must be placed in specific newspapers of general circulation where the job is going to be located. There are 3 additional professional ads that must be placed. There's also a job posting that must be placed in the place of location for 10 business days. Prior to the advertisement, the employer should file a prevailing wage request with the Department of Labor. The prevailing wage is issued by the Department of Labor based on the minimum experience and requirements that the employer is asking for the job. It is also based on the geographic location of the job. The wage that is issued by the Department of Labor is what the employer must pay the prospective applicant when they are ready to hire them. Once all the recruitment is completed for the position, and if the employer has not received any resumes from any qualified U.S. applicants, then they may submit the application to the Department of Labor. The Department of Labor will then certify, which means approve, deny, or audit the application. If the application is certified, the employer may then go on to file an I-140 immigrant visa application for the employee. As stated before, the PERM process is a very complex process. You should really have an attorney who specializes in labor certifications review your case and help you determine whether you're qualified and able to file labor certification. Please review our article on our website for more details about this process.